Hello everyone. Today we will see how to create a blocks in AutoCAD, what are the applications for the block and how to insert that block, how to call that block from outside. Okay, so now we will first see different types of blocks. So block. So there are two types of blocks. First one is the right block. The command for this is W enter, W and enter after it, and then the second block is a make block, and the command for this is that is a B enter. So these are the two types of blocks here. So again, for a right block we can save this block, in computer or in your drive, you can say, and call this for other project. So other project we can call this for other projects. Okay, the other is a make block. We can call this block only within the same project. So here are the two differences here. The right block, we can use this right block, that is we can save this block and then we can call this block for the other project from outside. Okay, and for the make block we can call this block only within the same project. So these are the two main differences for the block. Okay, so now again we will see what are the applications for the blocks. So again, the first application is to make entities single. So let's say if it is, again I will show you that. So let us see. Yes, I will first create a line here, select this, and then I will make this off, and then I will select this. So now you can see that these are the 4 lines available here. So if you want to make these lines as a single, you can create that with the block. I will show you that. I will create the block here and specify the pick point, then select the objects here and then enter after it, and then just provide a name here first and then click OK. Now you can see that it is only a single entity. So this is the first application for the block, that is to make the entities single. The second one is we can use the block for creating a drawing symbols. So for the projection symbols we can use this block. So we can make the symbol and make it a standardized, so that we can call this for another projects also. Then the third one is to create templates. So for templates we can also use this block here. And again the fourth one is the main, that is to standardize the drawing, so that we can call it for other drawings. So these are the 4 main applications for the block. To make the entity single, we can use the block for creating drawing symbols. So again, to create the templates, then the fourth one is to standardize the drawing, so that we can call it for other drawings. So now we will first see how to create a make block, that is a block within the project. Okay, and we can only call this block within the project. So first we will see how to create a make block. So now to create a make block, you need to enter enter. So, or you can directly create it from this create option. Okay. So now first I will create one. I will create one drawing here. So I will create a circle. Again I will create one circle. Okay. So now again these are the different entities here, that is, these are the 4 entities available here. If I want to create that entities in a single, so just go to create. Again this is the block definition is activated, or directly press B and then enter. So again the same definition is going to open. Okay, now first provide a name to that block. Just I will provide a block 1, I will provide. Then after that you need to select the peak point, so that when you import that, when you call that block, you can place this block with this peak point. So just select a peak point, that is a peak insertion or a base point. Just select a peak point and then specify the peak point from this drawing. So just I will provide this as a peak point. So it is selected, or you can directly enter this XY coordinates here if you have. Okay, so now after that then select the objects. So again select the objects, just select this and then select the objects that you want to create a single entity and then enter after it. So the objects are selected and you can see here the block picture, you can see from this. Okay, and then just click OK. So now this is the converted into the block. You can see that if you select this, it will be selected as a single entity. Again if you want to edit this, just double click on it and click OK. So you again go to the block editor and now you can edit the block here. So again if you want to add any profile here, or if you want to delete this circle, let's say, so I will delete this and then close this block editor. Now it will ask for the changes you have made have been saved, have not been saved. What do you want to do? Just save the changes or discard the changes. I will save this. So now my block is edited here. So in this way you can edit the block, or you can directly edit the block from this option. Just go to the edit, it will ask for the current block and then go to this. So you can change this block here. Again I will close this, I will save this. So in this way you can create a block and edit the block. So again if you want to insert the block, just go to the insert option here. Then number of block options are available here that you have created. This I will select this block 1 here and then select OK, and then just specify the peak point, that is the insertion point we have selected. And then I will select the here. So again insert, go to insert. So this is the first block I have created just for reference, and then I will click OK, and then you can see that block is also present there, though the drawing is deleted. So in this way you can create a block, insert a block and then edit a block. Now if you want to create a write block, that is if you want to save that block outside, then just W enter. So you can see that W block is command is selected there, and then go to the W block. Now here again I will first create one drawing here. So again let us say I will create a circle. Again I will create another circle here. Just I want to create that. You can see here these are the 2 entities present. So again go to the W block and then select the objects. First select the base point. Just I will, it is not showing here the base point now. Just select that. the base point is selected, and then select the objects. Just I will select this object and this object and enter after this, and then you can save here. Just save here. I will create that block 2. Just create block 2 here and then save this, and then again you can select the proper units so that it will be selected that unit for that, and then click OK. So now that block is created. Now again, if you want to insert that block, just go to insert block. Now you cannot see that here. Just go to browse option and then select this block 2 and then open it after, and then specify the insertion point. Just I will specify this here. So again, that is in the millimeter and this is in the inches, because we have not selected the units while entering this drawing. So in this way you can create a block. Now this is a single entity. Now this is not converted into the block. Only this entity is a block entity. So in this way you can use this make block and a write block. Go to zoom all and then you can zoom in and zoom out. Similarly, you can create a block with this text also. Just I will provide a specify this and then specify the height here. Just I will, and then just I will create all dimensions in mm, and then create an escape this. Sorry, this. Again, if I will rotate this, specify the insertion point and then okay. Again, if you want to create a block, just go to this create a block, provide a name, that is a, let's say, text. Just select the specify the point and then select the object here. Just select the object and then enter after it and then select OK. Now this is converted into a block. Again, if you double click on it, it will be edited in the block editor. So in this way you can create a blocks. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. If you have any queries, please comment below. I will try to solve them. So thank you for watching.